Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Hopefully all is well. Today's video I'm going to talk about Metamask and how it was temporarily removed from the Google Play Store, but you need not to fret or cause FUD. This has actually happened before. So let's get right into it. If you Google Metamask remove from Chrome, you'll see that there's other dates where this has happened. So this is not the first time that Google has removed this from the Chrome store. So if we go there right now and we look for Metamask, it is indeed back in the store. Now you have to be really careful about this because typically you're restoring a seed back to your account and you could have some funds attached to that. You don't want to risk it. So you have to watch out for scams and other such things. So I am going to show you how you can bypass the Google Chrome store. The reality is that Metamask is developed and distributed in GitHub. The Chrome store just makes it easier to get it and automatic. So if you actually go over to the Metamask official, you'll see github.com Metamask extension releases. You'll see, and then you can actually go to the Metamask website and follow the link, and it'll, like if I type, let's see, Metamask, Metamask, go to the original metamask.io, you'll see that it will actually take you back to that same GitHub location. Now, so you're like, okay, let's just pretend that Metamask was removed and you needed to restore it as a Google Chrome extension. You wanted to know how to do it. It's really simple. So you go over to the Metamask GitHub, you find the latest greatest, which is 7.71 Chrome. I'm going to click download that zip file to my desktop. Okay? And alright, so that's on my desktop. Not going to do anything with it. We'll show you. So Metamask Chrome, it's sitting here on my desktop, right? So the next thing you need to do is go to your app extensions in Chrome. So unless Google specifically blocks it, you can manually install Metamask using a download from a different site. So what you need to do is go to your extensions, and we'll go more tools, extensions, and you can see this takes me into my extensions. Alternatively, you can just simply open Chrome and paste Chrome/extensions. Okay, not a problem. So then the next step is simply take that zip file and pull it over and drag it and let go. Boom. That's it. So now, and sometimes you will get an error. You just clear it. Okay. So you can see now the Metamask has been installed in my browser, and then if I click on it, it'll fire up, goes get started, where you can import or create. You agree, blah blah blah, put in your password. Okay. Okay. Then it generates a wallet. That's it. Super duper simple. So to recap, if Metamask ever would be removed from the Chrome store, simply go to GitHub, download the zip file, go to your extensions, and boom, drag it in there, and that's it. That's how you install an extensions. Now it's a little more advanced to see the location, and actually you can see the locations of these because when you install Chrome extensions, they give it this crazy folder name, and that's if your developer mode tab is flipped, and then you could go and actually find the file. But the easiest way is just to drop the zip into there. So with all the FUD with ETH, not a problem. you can still get your Metamask wallet in Chrome if Google would ever decide to remove it again. Hope you liked today's video. Like and subscribe. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.